Politics today, in the race for House District Seat 127 is getting hotter. Another candidate has officially announced plans to run for that seat vacated by the late Quincy Murphy.
One of his friends, actually, Dr. Diane Evans, says if she's elected, she'll fight for more education dollars. As News 12's Ryan Houston reports, Dr. Evans chose September 11th to announce because this is a day that unified the country.
It just really was so devastating. They came together, and that's the unity that I feel that we need, and we have. That's what 9/11 is about, and that's the unity that I feel that we need in this 127.
Dr. Diane Evans is a retired teacher and mother of two who grew up in Jefferson County. She's a pastor of a church and now serves as the chair of the Jefferson County Democratic Party.
And I'm the person that will bring in the stray dogs. You know, if there's a stray dog or whatever, and I'm not comparing people to dogs, but what I'm saying is that I'm the person that has the compassion to say that I want to be out here to hear the voice, to hear what the people are saying.
Evans addressed and honored the work of former Representative Quincy Murphy. Her platform includes improving education, protecting seniors, and trying to improve the area's high unemployment rate.
Although I can't bring the jobs back into the community, but I can work side by side to be able to say what are some of the infrastructure types of things that there are needs that you need for your community.
Evans even touched on international politics, weighing in on the debate over a potential war in Syria.
I do not agree with war, you know, in any time, but if there's a way that we can negotiate with the UN and all of that, then I believe that that is the approach.
But her top priority remains the people of Richmond and Jefferson counties. In Augusta, Ryan Houston, News 12.
Retired Lieutenant Colonel Brian Prince and Diane Murphy are also running for that seat. The special election takes place November 5th.